Hey guys, Bobby here. A while ago I created a video about why I liked AMZ Scout better than Helium 10. I will have a link down below to that video in the description. In this video I'm here to talk about why I think Helium 10 could be a waste of money. So the first reason why I think Helium 10 could be a waste of money is because of the $97 a month price tag. AMZ Scout has a Lifetime Pro extension for $499, and if you add up the $97 for Helium 10 it would be around $1,100 per year, which doesn't make sense whenever it comes to buying AMZ Scout for $499 for their Chrome extension. So reason number two that I think that Helium 10 is a waste of money is that it doesn't give you a peace of mind like AMZ Scout does. So what I mean by that is if you spend $1,100 a year on Helium 10, if you are like me, you might be overwhelmed with these tools, trying to send a bunch of them in, trying to test them, and you have to worry about that $97 a month coming out just for the research tools. And you also have to wait for those products to be tested and make sure that they are working properly, and at the same time you're learning how to do create descriptions, titles, and basically tags for your listings. And I think AMZ Scout is a better slower way, but you learn more at the same time kind of thing compared to Helium 10, which I think AMZ Scout is better because you don't have to worry about the $1,100 price tag versus the $499 price tag, which is for a lifetime, so I can move at my own pace. So reason number three to why I think that Helium 10 could be a waste of money is because it has too many tools. It has tools that can look up ASINs and tell you all the keywords that are being used, but with Amazon you can do that. Amazon has its own search engine. Whenever you go to the store, whenever you type something in, it gives you a list of things that people have searched for before, so you can use those keywords. And in my opinion, those keywords are actually better because Amazon knows what people are searching for. So if you type in dog treats, it'll have different types of dog treats. So whenever you type dog treats flavor, like a meaty flavor, dog meat dog treat or something like that, it'll show you all of these keywords that you can use and put them in your titles, your descriptions, and all that stuff. So basically you can make a list of 10 keywords that work well with your product and then create your own product description and titles with them. I have a book from Karen Thaxton. It's called The Amazon Advantage. It is a great book that teaches you how to create these Amazon listings. I will put a link down below to the description. One good thing about buying the book from her is that she has some kind of deal going on with Merchant Words. If you look at Merchant Words, it's $97 a month to use for their Amazon tools, but if you buy her book, it's actually $9.99 a month, which is a crazy deal. So reason number four is because slow and steady wins the race, in my opinion. I would rather spend the $499, which for me, it all comes down to price. For somebody that's starting out, you don't want to spend very much on tools starting out. You don't want to spend $100 a month on tools that can help you. You want to spend the least amount that you can, so you can put all of it into inventory to make more money so that you can go back and forth with it. So if you're full-time and you want to get things done faster, then yes, I recommend Helium 10 because you're doing all this work full-time rather than doing it part-time like me. I do this part-time, so that's the reason why I say slow and steady wins the race, because I am doing a full-time job and doing this part-time, and sometimes it's hard for me to get time to do my Amazon business. So I think AMZ Scout is better in that definition because I don't have to worry about paying a monthly reoccurring bill that I just pay one and done and I'm good. So if you're doing Amazon part-time, I believe that AMZ Scout makes more sense because it saves you a lot more money in the long run. And if you want to learn more about selling on Amazon, I will have a playlist down below in the description. You should check that out.